A big part of a conference like this is really demonstrating how we've brought to life the things we've been promising on the roadmap and how the vision is now real.
We have a very clear vision, a very clear execution strategy against our unified platform. What does that mean? It means total store operations solution. It means cloud architecture, scalable, and it means bringing this all to you through a single app experience.
If there's one amazing thing about this industry is it's mission critical to society. How do we help you test your limits in terms of selling through what you get from your teams in store, how you help your teams win the day? That takes bravery. It's not easy. You have a lot of projects. Stores have to keep running. Things can't stop to make dramatic change. This event is really about fostering connections. So we want to make those connections happen.
Your objectives are our objectives. It's how we align and make sure, not just from a product perspective, but also from an outcomes perspective, we know exactly what you're trying to accomplish and we're trying to meet you where you are to help you get there.